Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make an easy patriotic wreath using a oval grapevine. I also have a tutorial of how I make this bow in my previous video. So you will need one garland of eucalyptus, blue flowers, white flowers, and red berries, and a sign of your choice. So this one, I got it last year from Hobby Lobby. It was, I believe, 70% off. All the supplies I have here are from Hobby Lobby except the glue. I got it from Amazon. You start off by cutting all your eucalyptus. I already prepped everything to make the video faster. So after cleaning my grapevine, I work on my wreath. Let me know if you would like to see a video on how I clean my grapevines, and just let me know in the comments below and I will make a separate video. It's pretty easy, just for the people that haven't made a wreath before. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It will really help me out so much, and let me know in the comments if you would like me to show you different styles of wreaths, maybe a deco mesh or burlap or different grapevine wreaths or with different themes. So I'm starting my wreath by gluing the eucalyptus from left side. I'm going all the way to my right side of the wreath. So I just add 2 to 3 eucalyptus picks on each row, just to make the grapevine fuller. And for this half piece, I'm using the whole garland, the whole eucalyptus garland, just on this half piece of the grapevine. So now that we have all the eucalyptus on the wreath, we're gonna start gluing all the blue flowers. We're gonna start by alternating the blue flowers on each side of the row and leaving some space in the middle for all the white flowers. And like I said, these flowers, I got them from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure how much they were. I know I used about 2 bunches of the blue flowers to make this wreath. Also, let me know in the comments if you decorate your front door for 4th of July, or if you just leave a summer wreath on your front door. I've never actually used one for 4th of July, I just leave my summer wreaths, but I'm thinking this year I might do a patriotic wreath for my front door. Okay, so now I'm just adding all my white flowers. I'm just alternating each piece, so I'm making a row in the middle between the blue flowers to make sure to leave some space for the red berries as well. And as you can see, this is very simple. It's a very easy wreath for any beginner that's learning how to make a wreath. It's a very easy wreath to make. And these red berries, I believe I got them last year when it was on sale for Christmas. All the Christmas flowers. So I'm just adding 3 picks of the red berries. I didn't want to add too many of the red berries. Just to add a little bit of color, red color. So now I'm just making sure everything is glued properly. Or if I need to add any extra glue, I add extra. Okay, so here's the complete look. Now I'm going to work on the sign. There's different ways to attach your sign to the wreath. So this is just the easiest way for me. I use pipe cleaners on the back and just twist it. And then I just tie it to my grapevine. It's a pretty easy method for me to do. And the pipe cleaners, I got them from Hobby Lobby as well. I know some people also use a stapler and staple the pipe cleaners on the back of the sign, so that's something else you can do as well. Okay, so now you just twist and it's all tight. So that's pretty much it, all you have to do. And then after this, I just add my bow. You can do it with a bow or without a bow. I just felt like it needed a little something on top. So I just added a simple bow. And like I said, you can watch my previous video and see how I did the bow by using a bow dobra, the bow maker. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And you all have a good day.